Okay, this is warm-up 3.0b. 3 to the negative 2 is 1 over 3 to the second times 1 over 4 to the second to the negative 1/2. You need to, oh well, you know what? No, I'm not doing it that way. That's one way to do it. Or you could distribute your negative 2 because it's a times sign. Your negative 1/2. Negative 2 times negative 1/2 is a positive 1. Negative 2 times negative 1/2 is a positive 1 again. 3 times 4 is 12. Yeah, I was going to make that very hard. Number 2, however, not as easy. That's 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 4 squared to the negative 1/2, which is 1/9 plus 1/16 to the negative 1/2. Whoa. Oh, look, there was 2 more problems there. I'll be darned. Oh well. So that's the common denominator between 9 and 16. 3 times 3, 4 times 4. I have to multiply them together. What's 9 times 16? 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. 1 times 9 is 9 plus 5, 144. So that's 16, and that's 9 to the negative 1/2. So that's 25 over 144 to the negative 1/2. The negative is going to flip it to the positive 1/2. 1/2 is the square root. So that's 12/5. Here's 3 and 4. I'm going to work inside out. That's 9 to the 5th over 3 to the negative 2 is the same as times 3 squared on the top. So that's really 9 to the 5th times 9 to the 1, which is 9 to the 6th. And I could rewrite that is to the 1/2. 6 times 1/2 is 3. Oh gosh, 81 times 9, 729, I think. Yeah. And then 4, I would need to write them separately. That's 1 over 2 to the 4th plus 1 over 4 to the 3rd over 1 over 2 to the 3rd. If I get a common denominator on the top, I'll take this to a new page so I have more room. That's 1 over 2 to the 4th plus, I'm going to make them the same. 4 to the 3rd is really 2 squared to the 3rd or 2 to the 6th. So my common denominator would be 2 to the 6th. And I would multiply this one by 2 squared. And this one would stay the same. And that's really just 4. And then over 1 over 2 to the 3rd. So that's really 5 over 2 to the 6th over 1 over 2 to the 3rd. Loop it around. So that's 5 over 2 to the 6th times, well, divided by 1 over 2 to the 3rd, which is 5 over 2 to the 6th times 2 to the 3rd over 1, which is 5 times 2 to the 3rd over 2 to the 6th. I can simplify that, which is 5 over 2 to the 3rd, which is 5/8. And I think these 4 problems actually came from your homework, so that's working more of them out. So what I want you to do is hold on to this warm-up till tomorrow. I'll check it off at the beginning of class tomorrow with the other warm-up and your homework. Go ahead and you should have completed by Wednesday when I come back 1 through 50 all on Exponent 1 and this warm-up. Y'all be good for the sub.